How is China rising as a global tech leader? China's AI chatbot DeepSeek has drawn international attention, signaling the country's growing capabilities in cutting-edge technologies. This development is part of a broader trend. Chinese digital platforms and technology companies are becoming increasingly prominent on the global stage. Apps such as TikTok, CapCut, Shein, and Temu have gained widespread popularity across multiple regions, reflecting China's growing influence in the digital economy. Beyond smartphones, China is also making major advancements in hardware and industrial tech. In the automotive sector, China has become the world's largest car exporter, thanks in part to the success of electric vehicle (EV) manufacturers like BYD. The country's strength in battery production currently leading the global market has further fueled this growth. China also plays a central role in the global solar industry. Estimates suggest it controls between 80 to 95% of the solar panel supply chain, and by 2028, it may generate up to 60% of the world's renewable energy. In the drone market, Chinese companies lead innovation and production, with DJI accounting for roughly 70% of global drone shipments. In frontier areas like quantum computing and artificial intelligence, China has emerged as a serious contender. Its scientists produce more quantum-related research papers than any other nation, and in some areas of development, China has taken a leading role. Chinese AI firms have also surpassed global peers in the number of patents filed, indicating a high level of research and commercial activity. What's driving China's technological growth? Much of this progress stems from strategic planning. In 2015, China launched the Made in China 2025 initiative, which aimed to shift the country from labor-intensive manufacturing to high-tech production. The policy targeted key industries such as EVs, robotics, AI, and biotechnology. According to reports, more than 85% of its goals have been met or exceeded. Government support, targeted investments, joint ventures, and tech-friendly policies have helped Chinese companies scale quickly and competitively. Between 2015 and 2020, an estimated $627 billion was directed toward innovation, R&D, and strategic acquisitions, part of a broader plan to enhance domestic capabilities. How has China built resilience amid global challenges? In recent years, challenges such as international sanctions and supply restrictions have prompted China to focus more on self-sufficiency. Companies like Huawei and DeepSeek have responded by advancing in chip making and AI development despite limited access to the most advanced foreign technology. Huawei, for instance, shifted its focus toward domestic innovation after restrictions affected its smartphone and telecom operations. In 2023, it launched a device with a domestically produced advanced chip, surprising many observers. DeepSeek also found innovative ways to train AI models using available resources, showing adaptability and technical strength. Is China competing globally with homegrown innovation? China's digital and tech sector is increasingly competitive on a global level. TikTok has become the first non-US social platform to achieve widespread success in recent years. Shein and Temu are now major players in global e-commerce, leveraging efficient supply chains and user-focused app design. Though challenges remain, particularly in advanced chip making, China continues to invest in R&D and infrastructure to close gaps. Its determination to build a robust domestic innovation ecosystem has positioned it as a major force in global technology. Is a new tech powerhouse emerging? Other industrialized nations are responding with their own innovation strategies, but China's achievements reflect its long-term vision and coordinated efforts. With strong state support, growing expertise, and an expanding pool of talent, China is poised to play a central role in shaping the technologies of the future.